So Komal, my name is Raka. I'm from Linguapol, and I'm going to take kind of a feedback review from your side about the course that you have done in German language. So, may I know why did you choose German language in the first place?
Firstly, I want to go abroad
Okay,
for my higher educations like MBA, and for after then for best job, as everyone know that.
right.
Yeah.
Okay, so after you decided to do German language, how did you get to know about our institute Linguapol?
After so many searching on Google,
Okay,
and after I will contact with the sir, Linguapol had institute sir, and after then I know that this is the best institute as compared to other one.
that's really good to know. Okay, so I'm guessing you took a demo class before you started the enrollment process.
Yes, by Urvashi ma'am.
Yes. So you took a demo class of German language from Urvashi ma'am, and how was the demo in the first place?
That was perfect, and maybe that's why I'm taking another one coaching. Otherwise, I'm really not join the this institute.
Yes. Okay. So how was your experience of A1 level? How was the teaching from ma'am's side, and how was the assistance from her side as a teacher?
Everything is perfect and gorgeous. Seriously, Urvashi ma'am is fabulous because of firstly they knows mean that she wants everyone makes comfort firstly, and after then study makes.
Exactly.
फर्स्टली उनका ये होता है कि पहले आप कंफर्ट हो जाओ कि आपको कौन सा टाइम में चाहिए, आपको कौन सा पॉइंट समझ में नहीं आ रहा, किस वे से आप समझ सकते हो, देन वो स्टार्ट करती है पढ़ाना। तो ये इसलिए ये चीज़ सबसे बेस्ट है। और
Really.
A1 का जो उनका पढ़ाने का तरीका है, बिकॉज़ जर्मन लैंग्वेज क्या कोई भी लैंग्वेज है अगर उसमें आप एंट्री करते हो तो वो न्यू ही है, क्योंकि हमें तो हिंदी और इंग्लिश आती है सिर्फ़, और उसके अलावा कोई भी लैंग्वेज है वो नया होता है। उसको समझाना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, और मैम के अंदर ये बहुत अच्छी कैपेबिलिटी है, बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करती हैं वो।
तो मतलब आप ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जब भी आपने जर्मन लैंग्वेज करा तो इट वाज इजी फॉर यू द वे शी taught you.
यस, करेक्ट।
Okay. So anything else, anything special you want to highlight about Urvashi ma'am?
सब कुछ हाइलाइट ही किया
Okay.
है।
And how about the like in between classes, you also need some more assistance, like you need doubt clearing sessions and exercises. So how was that response from ma'am's side? How did you think that whenever you have doubts or questions, how could you reach out, and what was her approachability? Like could you actually approach her anytime you want?
यस, हमारा जो क्लासेस है वो वीकेंड पे लगती हैं। बट अगर हम उनको वीकडेज पे भी अगर कोई भी मैसेज कर देते हैं, कोई क्वेश्चन क्वेरी कुछ भी है, तो मैम उनका रिप्लाई अप्रॉक्स 30 मिनट्स में कर देती हैं। मीन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो 2-3 घंटे बाद रिप्लाई करी, नहीं वो 30 मिनट्स के अंदर कर देती हैं।
Okay,
तो ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छी है, और कभी भी उनको कॉल भी कर लो तो वो कॉल भी रिसीव करती हैं।
right. Okay. Apart from that, Komal, what about your future plans? Are you going to continue in German language?
यस,
That's
विद A2 एंड आफ्टर देन B1 एंड C1।
yes. Okay. And one more thing about Linguapol, I wanted to know that how was the assistance from the executive side, from the management side? Like, did you face any issues, or how was your experience whenever you had to go through the management, through the enrollment process, and your payment and everything?
No, that's all are perfect. There is not any big deal with the management team.
Okay. One more thing, we don't want to reveal the course fees, but you are a student and you have definitely compared our fees with the other institutes in the market. So, do you have any feedback
Yes,
on that? Is it accessible?
ज़्यादा बेटर था।
Okay, so that is all from our side. We wanted to know anything you want to ask or suggest or give any feedback from your side apart from the questions that I covered.
No, that's all.
Okay. So currently, what are you doing, Komal?
A job.
Okay, and I mean, can you give me a brief introduction about yourself?
Yeah, currently my name is Komal and I live in Bahadurgarh, Haryana. I have completed my graduation from Ganga Technical Campus, and currently I'm working at Agenti Analytics Private Limited as Business Development Executive from November 2022.
Excellent. So I think German language is going to help you a lot in your career because you are already in the technical line.
Sure.
So all the best for your future, Komal, and we hope
Yeah,
to see you again in our courses.
sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.